Hey everyone, welcome back to another video by Simplilearn, and in this video we will be creating a user registration form. But before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you will never miss any update from Simplilearn. So without further ado, let's begin. For this tutorial, we are using Visual Studio Code. The first thing you need is Node.js. Let's see. I have created one for me. You can create it by just entering a command make directory in the terminal and entering your folder name. It can be ABC or something you need, and like this it will be created, but I don't need it, so I'm going to delete it. In this, I will open the terminal again. I'll write a command npm init y. This will create a JSON file for us. Like as you can see here, the JSON file has been created here. Let's clear the screen. Now we will install Express.js in this folder. For that, write a command npm install express and press enter. This will install Express.js for us. You can also see here in the dependencies, Express has been successfully installed and all other modules are here. So let's clear this screen now. Now we will create a server file here. Let's name it app.js. Here we'll write all our code. So let's create a simple Express folder. Write const express require keyword. All our modules will be here. Enter. In this, we are requiring Express.js. Now we will also be needing port. Processes dot env dot port number that we're gonna write here. Using port number 3000, you can write anything. This will be our port number now. Right. Create an app. The next line will create an app. Express function. We have created an instance for Express. Now we'll create to make it listen to our port. Let's write app.listen. Port number it will read by its own. Arrow function. Console log. What we are gonna see backtick server started at http localhost $, get the data of the port and we'll write the port. It will fetch the number of the port. Here it goes. Now we have created a front end of this. I repeat, now we will create a front end of this registration form. So let's create it. First here, create a folder, public. In this folder, let's create two files, index.html and the second one will name as style.css. Now, in the index folder, we'll write all our front-end code. So open index.html page, write doc and enter. This will create a HTML template for you. In the title, here we'll write registration form. Now, in the body part, we'll write heading for this, h1, write heading, we'll just here the action will be class, so this will be heading, so we can style it afterwards. Heading. Now we'll create a form. Action. Here class will be form. Now we'll create an input types. First we'll create input type will be text, name will be write first name, this folder, right. This username will become inside the text box, this first name. Name. Now we'll create few more like this for password, last name, age, number. Let's copy this input. First one will be first name, second one will be last name, so we'll write the email, for this. This looks good. We'll write the email. For email, we'll write password. Placeholder, we'll write, it will be empty, so no one will see our password. This will be an empty. Let's write a place here, and we'll write in the placeholder password. Let's go to another one, and let's create a first name, last name, email, password, and let's create one more. That will be a page. For this, we have to write here number. Name, we don't need name, I guess. Well, let's write age here. Page. Placeholder, what will we see inside the box in the front end? Here. Let's create a submit button. Type of the button will be submit. So we can give it style in this part. Here, submit. So our form is ready. Yeah, we'll write require here. So one will be left empty. This will help us to require every field, because everything is important. We cannot make it empty, so we are writing required. So our HTML page is ready. Here, let's see how it looks. Open this HTML page. Here, our registration form look like this. Let me show you what require is doing. As you can see, please fill out this field. This is what required function do. Submit is. Now coming back to VS Code, we'll write some CSS code for styling. Here we'll write padding for the page will be 0. You don't have to write %. Margin will also write 0 for the overall page. Now we'll go to the body part. So the height will be 100 VH. Width will be 100 VH. display size will be flex. Direction of the flex will be bottom. Right. Justify content will be in center. Alignment item center. This is how we will write a body part. Coming to the form of this page. Form. Right. Everything will be same. We'll copy this. Let's paste it here. Don't want the height of the form this much. It will be, let's create it 40%. Width will be 100 only. Display flex will be here. Direction of this will be column only. Justify contents. Let's see in the main. To our code. Let's make it not center. Let's make it as space. Around space. Let's make it space between. You can style it as your own, as you want. Heading. With the heading. Display will be in line block. This will make our page, registration page, look more clean. Back to the form. Here. Input. Put the output. It will be none. We don't need it. Padding we can do 10% from this side and 20 from the input is okay. Now we'll go to, let's do something with the button. Height will be T. Padding will be 10% from this and 25 from the other side. The radius. See? Pixel. So the color for this. GB 44. The color will look like this. It's not an issue. sizing, the submit button. Sizing will be the border box. This will look cool. Background color of the submit button will be black, and the text which is inside it will be white, so it looks clean as a registration form. It's done. You can also first save this file. Go to the file. A registration form look like this. Isn't it cool? Let's make this a little up. The heading part will give a padding for 40%. Get the CSS file, go to the form and see. Yeah, it looks cool now. Let's see, everything is working fine. Yeah. Coming back to our VS Code. Now, so our front part is ready. If there will be any changes, we'll do it later. Now, coming back to our backend part of this registration form, we'll make our first API routes. Here, it's right app.get on added on request response add arrow function. Let's write here the response that the form will send. File. We will write the directory name of this HTML file. It's right here. Directory name plus public text.html. Let's save it. Coming back to our create post method also here. Form post and response function will be here. Request body. Here in this part, it will fetch the data in the body of the HTML page. Now let's create an API middleware. For that, use express.json .json. Here we are accepting the data in JSON format. After this, we'll use it again. Use express .url encoded function. This is basically to decode the data sent through HTML form. Use again. This will express will write static function will be public folder public. This will use the public folder for us. Now we'll save this file first. Open your HTML file and write in the form part here we'll declare the file name app.js form class form, and we'll write method which will be post here. Everything looks good. We forgot to write inverted commas here. Save this file. Now open the terminal and write node app.js. Press enter. So our code is running fine. Let's open it. Yeah, everything looks fine. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. Make sure to like and share it. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.